Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing today? Well, this is a short Hawaiian language lesson for you between the difference of the two words ʻāina and ʻāina. And you're like, wow, it sounds the same. I talked about that in my my last food video. Well, in the English language, because if you speak English, you might not be able to differentiate or hear that little bit of a sound difference. So Aina is land. You see that line over the first a, that's a kahako, that's a stressor, or it's an emphasis marker, right? So it would be Aina. You hear that? E ho'opili mai. Aina. 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 Mai ka'i. And the next one, which is a meal, like hale ʻāina is a house or a place that has meals. Hale ʻāina, a house of meals. So that would be a restaurant, a cafeteria, right? So that word is ʻāina. E ho'opili mai, ʻāina, mai ka'i. Let's practice the two. Aina, 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 aina. You hear the difference? You know, it can be difficult even for me too, so just keep practicing. That's what I can suggest to you, but that's a little bit of difference between those two words. Again, aina meaning land, and ʻāina meaning meal. So until next time, aloha, a hui hou.